Do you wash your chicken before cooking it? This has been an ongoing debate ever since I started creating videos on TikTok 4 years ago. I am Caribbean, more specifically Haitian, so growing up, every meat that my mom was cooking, whether it was fish, chicken, beef, she always cleaned it, washed it with lime juice, vinegar, and salt. So really, I didn't think there was any other process of preparing your meats. I thought you always had to wash them. And then I moved to the US, and then you start seeing the videos online, people saying, do not wash your chicken. That's one of the worst things that you can do because it spread germs and bacteria all over your kitchen. Then the people who do wash their chicken will come back and say, you have to wash your chicken. Wash it in the sink, do what you have to do. Just make sure you sanitize the sink and all the surrounding areas. So what do I think, huh? Should you or should you not wash your chicken? Well, I'll tell you. I think the debate is stupid. I think the debate is stupid. Why do I think it's stupid? I think it's stupid because people have one thing in common. We all love to pick and choose. This will be a good time to tell y'all that I am working on my own EP, so stay tuned, baby. I say that for obvious reason that I feel gets skipped over. Caribbean folks go to American restaurants, and I'm pretty sure they don't wash their chicken, and American folks go to Caribbean restaurants where they definitely do wash the chicken. And for the people that mention germs, when you cut chicken, germs spread. When you wash chicken, germs spread. I am doing this at 4 a.m., so we're going to wrap it up, let it marinate in the fridge, and tomorrow we put that thing on the grill, baby.